It's time to learn how to download and install the driver for use on the Mac computer with your MA2100 CWFX printer. Begin by printing a status page. Press the System menu counter key, press Report, and select OK. Press Report Print, press OK. Scroll to Status Page and press OK. You will see Are You Sure displayed. Press Yes. The status page will now print out. Upon completion, you can return to the Ready page by pressing Exit. After printing the status page, look for the IP address information here. You'll need it later when installing the Mac driver. To download the latest Mac driver, go to https://kyocera.info. This will take you to the Download Center. Here you should select your country or region. In our example, we're using USA. In the Refine the Product area, type in MA2100. Now click on the EcoSys MA2100 CWFX. Select your operating system from the list. In this example, we're using Mac OS X 10.9 or later. Scroll down and find the Mac printer driver 10.9 and up. Click on the blue Download button as shown. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom and select the Agree to Contract and Download blue button. Open the downloaded file. A Kyocera OS X 10.9 Plus file ending in DMG will appear. Double-click on the file. You have three options to use: Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus the Web Build package, Mac Driver Setup Guide, or an uninstaller guide. Double-click on the first option. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Continue one more time. Click on Agree to continue installing the software. Next, click on Install. If a password is asked for, do so. The software will begin to install. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. When the install is completed, a green check mark will appear. Click on Close. You can keep the install file or move it to the trash. Go to System Preferences, Printers, and Scanners. Click on the plus button. At the top of the Add Printer screen, click on the IP button located here. Type in the IP address in this block. You will find the IP address on the status report you printed earlier. Go down to Use and ensure it is set to Auto Select. Kyocera EcoSys MA-CWFX KPDL will appear. Click on Add. A window with setting up the IP address you typed in will appear. Click on the blue OK button. You can make this your default printer if you want by clicking on Here. You can share the printer on the network by clicking this box. Your printer will appear here. You can set the default paper size with this drop-down window. We suggest US letter. Close out the printers and scanners windows by clicking on the red Close button. You've now downloaded and installed the Mac driver for your new MA2100 printer.